In this tutorial, we talk about how to detect page rotation for OCR in C#. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this tutorial on using IronOCR to detect page rotation. Today, we'll learn how to detect page rotation in PDF documents using IronOCR in C#. This is crucial for ensuring the text is correctly oriented for OCR processing. So I've already installed IronOCR, and we're just going to go ahead and move into the program.cs file. So first, ensure you have IronOCR set up with the license key as shown in this code snippet. This step is essential for initializing IronOCR and utilizing its capabilities. We begin by creating an OCR input object to handle our input. Next, we load the PDF document, clockwise90.pdf, which we suspect contains pages with incorrect rotation. We use the detect page orientation method on the OCR input object to detect page rotation. And this method analyzes each page in the PDF and then determines its rotation angle. The results are then stored in the collection we can iterate through. So we then output the results to the console. And for each page, we print the page number, a high confidence flag indicating if the detected rotation is reliable, and the rotation angle in degrees. This information helps us understand how each page is oriented. So now let's go ahead and run the code. So by executing the script, we can see the page's rotation details in the PDF. And this ensures that we can correct any misaligned page before performing OCR. And there you go. We got the confidence flag as true for this first page, and the page rotation is 270 degrees. Detecting page rotation is obviously crucial in preparing documents for OCR, as it ensures that text is correctly aligned. And with this information, you can apply the necessary corrections to improve OCR accuracy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with Iron PDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on our site. Continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below. Check it out for yourself.